Welcome to Making Money with Photography, your ultimate guide to turning your passion into profit. Photography is not just a hobby, it can be a lucrative business. In this video, we will explore different ways to monetize your photography skills. One way to make money with photography is by selling prints. Showcase your best work and offer high-quality prints to art enthusiasts and collectors. Offer your photography services for events, portraits, weddings, and more. Capture special moments and create lasting memories for your clients. Join stock photography platforms and license your photos for commercial use. Earn royalties every time someone downloads your images. Share your knowledge and expertise by organizing photography workshops. Teach others how to improve their photography skills and charge a fee for your services. Now that you know the various ways to monetize your photography skills, it's time to take action. Start making money with your passion today.